Do you want some chicken jerky? Bam! There you go. Bam! Bam! This is what you get when you edit your own videos. Yeah. Yeah, that's what you get. You gotta take out that stopper on that Worcestershire sauce. Pour it in real good. So, you have that chicken that you don't want to go bad because chicken goes bad really fast. You get the family packs, you don't make it all. It's really easy to just cut up those last two pieces and make some quick jerky out of it. Make it some marinade, throw it in the oven, put it in the fridge for 6 hours at least. You can leave it overnight and then throw it in your dehydrator, throw it in your oven at 170, dehydrator at 165. Do it for 6-7 hours, and you got some perfect, awesome jerky. It's so good, and it costs you what I get this chicken breast for $1.50 a pound, and then you got jerky, so then you don't have to spend $30 a pound on it. I mean, if you haven't been making jerky yet, you haven't been following me. I show you all different kinds of jerky you can make, all different ways to make it, recipes. Enjoy, like, subscribe. Here's my reaction. Thanks for watching. That's good jerky. Put this against a lot of beef jerky. A lot of flavor, soaks it all in. Moist, but dry, if that makes sense. A lot of saliva. It's super good. Don't sleep on this. This is good stuff. And translucent. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Subscribe. If you want to see if we can jerky some more things, let me know. Save you a lot of money and eat good.